We are joined by Group 1 aspirants and also the petitioner in the case where the High Court has given a setback to the TGPSC asking for a re-evaluation. You are petitioner in this particular case. What is your name?
My name is Anush Vemula.
Okay, so what was your prayer in this particular case and how are you affected with this evaluation? What is the problem or irregularity that you are alleging?
We were affected by the conduction of the exam at first place, and also after that evaluation of the answer scripts. At the two levels, the TGPSC has done violations. I mean, it has violated its own notification, its own rules and regulations. It was against the service rule. That's why we have. That was our prayer. Our prayer was to cancel this mains process and to conduct mains again. Now the court has given direction to TGPSC to re-evaluate the whole answer scripts. Otherwise, if it is not possible, it has given another option, that is conduct mains again, conduct remains. But here, re-evaluation is not a viable option because the conduction of exams itself was, it was done very erroneously. It was, first of all, while giving the hall tickets, candidates were given 2 hall tickets. So, which was for prelims 1 hall ticket and for mains another hall ticket. Now here, giving a hall ticket and the center code is, it is inside the hall ticket. In the hall ticket number itself, there was a center code. So because of that, there is scope for discrepancy. We can select a few candidates and we can allot center to them. So this is biasness. So court has said that allocation of exam centers in a biased manner. So because conduction of exam only has taken place like this, that's why we need to conduct exam again. We want remains. Then only the eroded trust will come again to the aspirants.
Okay, since how many years have you been?
I've been in the preparation since 7 to 8 years.
Okay. And this time you have gone till mains, but you are alleging that there have been discrepancies.
Yeah, there have been discrepancies. The court has, in the court findings also, it is clearly evident.
Okay. Your name, and you have also attempted this previous Group 1 examination where the re-evaluation is going to be done. Are you happy with the court's judgment? What is your say on this? And some discrepancies that you all are pointing out, rectifying them is a solution, is what you feel?
Yes, of course. So, firstly, myself, Sindhu Gade. So, I've been an aspirant of Group 1. So, I've attempted this mains exam. So, where I found many irregularities that has happened in the exam. So, if we consider from the step 1 where we'll be attempting prelims, once we qualify prelims and then we'll be getting into mains. So, there are 2 hall tickets, as my friend said, 2 hall tickets. But if we consider the UPSC, there'll be only 1 hall ticket number throughout the process. So that was the irregularity happened. From there, we feel like something fishy is happening. So that's what we just kept an eye on the entire process. That's how we got to know many irregularities. Like for example, number of candidates which was published by TGPSC, there was a discrepancy in the number as well. Like how many people has attempted this mains exam. One day they'll be saying one number, other day the other number. So that should not be the case, right? Because that everything has been evaluated using the biometrics. Since they use biometrics, the count has to be exact any day, any time. But that's not the case with TGPSC. So that's what in the judgment it has been mentioned that all the discrepancies, number discrepancies were there in this, and that was being authorized by the honorable judge. So like this, we have many other allegations as well, whereas the English medium, Telugu medium and Urdu medium discrepancy also, like in the evaluation of answer scripts based on those medium, there was no moderation method while they have done this evaluation. So that was misused, and judge himself, he mentioned that TGPSC has gone against all the regulations in evaluating the answer scripts, which was not fair. So overall judgment in judge has told that their transparency has not been maintained in the exam. There was no integrity of the officers. So based on this, we feel like justice has been served to the aspirants of Group 1, because to me, if I consider myself, I feel happy about the judgment, just because they have TGPSC has option to rectify all the mistakes and go forward by conducting remains, so that a trust will be built again, because this is not the first time this is happening with the Group 1 exam. Earlier in the past, there were 2 times the exam has been cancelled. we've attempted the third time prelims. We have gone for the prelims third time, and now finishing that, and we have been to mains, and even then in mains, discrepancies were there. So TGPSC has to be so conscious, but they were not. They were just conducted the exam as per their will. So based on this, I feel like, you know, if they go for remains by rectifying all the mistakes which were mentioned in the judgment and which were mentioned by the students, that will serve justice for all the students. That is what we feel. Yeah.
So how many cases were filed? We've seen series of protests. Several students were booked. So how many of them were booked? How many cases were booked? Do you have an idea of that?
More than, I guess, 15 to 16 petitions were filed just based on this Group 1 petition.
No, I'm talking about the protest and the cases registered against the students by the government.
Yeah, we are not aware of the number, but whenever we try to protest and we try to express our view by public protest, government never supported us, and they try to, you know, file FIRs and all on the students of the whoever is into this preparation. So which
Because
is
of
not
that
fair.
protest, some people, even those who are qualified for mains, they could not write exam because of the protests, because of lack of time for preparation, and because of some arrests and all. They could not able to appear for the exam. That's why mains has to be, you know, conducted again. That's the only practical possible solution.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was the aspirants who have attempted the examination and alleged that there are discrepancies and irregularities which are being cited or noticed by the High Court, and re-evaluation and proper moderation has been ordered by the Honorable Court. With camera person Damodar, Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.